Leaders of the Tipra Motha party on Tuesday visited the residence of Bhupendra Debbarma, a poor local fisherman who recently suffered a severe eye injury. During the visit, the leaders handed over direct financial assistance to Debbarma to ensure he could immediately afford better specialized treatment for his eye.
Bhupendra Debbarma, a resident of Ward Number 1 in Gormai village under the Khowai Behalabari village committee area, was critically injured in the eye by a fish while out fishing. Given his weak financial background, managing specialized medical care had become a massive challenge for his family.
Balaki hambai, jungtini hai na hai, juni sabisa samari bidan saban bising klaijak, juni Gormai bari, kaisa Behalabari bisini andaro, juni Khorokja Tipra Motha ni warrior tangkrak, juni Payung Bhupendra, Thanai kisu talsan bisingo, bini sorry sakta yangka, kaisa accident nungan bisintui, gabona bini mokol kaisa belai jungjalo klaijak mokol, gaboni treatment ibangai, jungjoto no palbaksa jani je chuktui kai, jungcho balai kya, bini gai bol buskango kaham treatment ibangai thana ne bangai, bot yarungjak, gai jung isoni thanibo deyo jahate bini sorry dok jawai paitun. Tei chungbe jaga panda phai manjak phai chini sabisa sramari ni je block ni vice president chini takogra da subol ching chungbe tongo khoi political district ni working president chini takogra da treated tei chungbe tongo Behalabari bisini chairman chini Lila Debbarma tei chungbe tongo Pochim Lokeshwara DC Police ni chini chairman Sites tei chungbe tongo chini Basibari subzonal ni vice chairman tei chini regional ni president chini vice president chini takogra da British tei joto da Tomsong joto palbaksa jaga chungtini palke bini khonga naitei kisi sa chini jekchuk tei bana chungchu bairorka abono chini paitoga na hai chini bubagrana hambai mariwo bini bisingtino o je khab samani kaisa boroni bisingo kaisa te kaisa no chubanani o khab samang bini bisingti chung encourage manka gai abni bangane chung bini sori naijak thani chung ison thani chung joto palbaksa sori nai diai nai jate bini sori sak kaham kurga phaisok beton abon chini kaisa koimo
Marble hai keeping krida, amo bicara stress kisah tu. Kya basa ranjana ni? Enggak mau kalau injection ini. Kalau pura sisa kau yata, tiga dhaga. Reported by Bipla from Khowai, Chini Khorang.